So, how would it feel to be in charge of your money? How would it feel to have a plan so that you can set yourself up to become financially independent? Well, I'm going to go over what I think you should do to prepare yourself for 2024. So, let's dig in. So let me start by saying I know in 2024 we may come across some difficult economic conditions. We have some unknowns. We don't know necessarily where interest rates will be in 2024, but I have faith that by quarter 3 or 4, mortgage interest rates should start coming down, and that's a good sign for us getting out of a recession. We also don't know if we are necessarily in a recession. Normally, we don't usually know until we've already completed the recession. And also, recessions normally only last about 10 months. So at least that gives you an idea that this is not going to last forever. So now those are all things we cannot control. So let's focus on things that we can control and prepare ourselves for 2024. So this budgeting plan I'm going to go over with you is something that I follow myself. It also doesn't matter if you make $40,000 a year, $100,000 a year, because all that matters is how you manage your money. I know people that make $60,000 a year that have a higher net worth than someone that makes $100,000 a year. So again, it's all about how you budget and plan your money. It's all about being in balance with being able to pay all your expenses, being able to put a bit aside, and being able to live a comfortable lifestyle. So when budgeting your money, there's really 3 areas of focus. There's going to be the area of income, the area of expense, and the third area, which I believe is the most important, is the wealth building. So I'm going to go over with you guys my Excel spreadsheet of the calculations I use in order to budget my money. In this example, I'm going to use the income of $60,000 a year just so that you guys can see the breakdown. In this example, like I mentioned, this person makes $60,000 a year. So the after-tax income you'll see is $3,850 per month. Now this person has other sources of income where they are working a part-time job. This month they earn $800 extra per month. Now, this person also had an old television that they sold, so we're going to add that into another source of income. So this person has earned a total of $4,800 this month. So my recommendation for your fixed expenses, it shouldn't be more than 60% of your after-tax income. So in this instance, that would be $2,880. Now this person has rent of $1,200 per month, utilities of $120, payments of $500, fuel of $200. So Leo just wanted to say hi. Hey, Leo. Yeah, good boy. And this person also has insurance of $120 a month, food of $500 a month, cell phone of $100 a month, and debt payments of $140 a month. So the next category is your variable expenses, and I believe they shouldn't be more than 20% of your after-tax income. So eating out, memberships, gifts, clothing, and vacations. So this person would have about $960 a month they could use towards these variable expenses. So they spent $300 that month for eating out, $110 for memberships, $100 towards gifts, $150 towards clothing, and $300 towards vacations. So the last category is the wealth building category. So this is where you want to make sure you pay yourself first. So 20% of your after-tax income should go towards paying you. And this person has $960 per month they can use. $240 they should set aside for emergency funds that if they need to ever fall back on, they have that cushion. Retirement account, so they also want to plan for their future because the compounding effect will be most dramatic if you start early. After the retirement fund, $120 of that money would be going towards things like personal growth. So I believe it's really important to focus on learning more as you get older. So you want to read books, you want to go to seminars, you want to take some courses, anything that can help you grow and learn new skills. And now this person also has $360 they're putting aside for saving for things such as like a house or a car. So this category is really important, and this is where most people fall short and they don't put that money aside for themselves. Again, I'm sure there's going to be areas that may be different. So the amount of money you put in every category, as long as the percentage is similar, and the breakdown of where you put all of that money in that category can change. The economy and things can change as well. So you may need to revisit this quarterly or every few months if you're seeing that you're falling short in some of these areas. So I hope this has really helped, and that maybe you'll be doing this to prepare yourself for next year, because having a plan always gives you more confidence and excitement over what you're going to achieve next year. So write down what you want to accomplish. Write down what you wish to do with your money. I'm hoping these things will give you the best year ever in 2024. We all want to have a better year than this year. I think a lot of people went through difficult times. It's been tough. So let's focus on making 2024 the best year ever. And I really appreciate you guys watching this video till the end. Make sure to like, subscribe, comment, and I will see you guys next time.